The best paver edge restraint on the market just got even better. Now sold in 100 linear foot bundles made of strong, lightweight aluminum with a very simple installation process. Just remove your bedding layer with the Quickie sand plow and get to installing the edging. On an open grade application, install the hybrid HD stakes smooth as butter using our Quickie hammer attachment. Or for a dense grade application, install with non-galvanized spikes just as easily. Let's stop using flimsy plastic and messy concrete. Plastic uplifts over time, and all concrete eventually cracks. Plus, if you're doing a paver driveway, just flip up each tab to add extra stability for vehicular traffic. Give your customer a paver project to last a lifetime. Quickie Hybrid HD edging will resist freeze and thaw cycles, preventing uplift and lateral creep over time. Plus, with a lifetime warranty and free shipping, you've got nothing to lose. Learn more and order now at pavetool.com.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.